Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I am going to be doing this look right here, the Eid look. So if you wanna know how I get this look, please continue watching. First of all, I am taking Pond's Light Moisturizer to moisturize my face. I am taking the Professional Primer from Benefit Cosmetics and applying on the larger pore areas of my face. And as this is a festive look, for the extra shine, I am adding Maybelline Gigi Hadid collection Strobe Cream in the shade Gold and applying on the high points of my face. For foundation, I am taking L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the shade Golden Beige. And to blend it out, I am taking PAC 265 brush. You can take any foundation brush you have. For concealer, I am taking LA Girl HD Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige. And to add extra highlight, I am taking Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand Sable 20. With this kind of blending brush, I am blending it out the concealer. For contour, I am taking this shade from Derma palette and contouring my face. This is cream contour, which I was talking about in my earlier videos that I don't do generally, but for this look I want that sculpted face, so I am doing it. And with this I am just sculpting my usual areas where I want to contour. There are my forehead, my cheekbones, my jawline, my nose, and for fuller lips effect I am also sculpting my lips. And with this kind of flat shader brush, I am blending out the contour of nose and lips. Now taking this bigger brush, I am blending the contour of my forehead, my cheekbones and my jawline. After contour, I felt like there is some highlight needed on my cheeks, so I added Maybelline Fit Me Concealer on my cheeks, my nose and the usual areas of my cupid's bow and the chin. And after this, for my under eye setting, I am taking this two color mixture from the LA Colors Cosmetic palette. As you can see, it instantly mattify and brightens the under eye. To set my contour, I am taking this lighter brown shade from the palette. To set the highlighted areas, I have taken the lighter color from the palette. And after this, to merge the highlight and the contour, I will take translucent powder from MAC and apply it between the highlight and the contour zone so that it all looks put together and blended well. This blush is from Faces Canada in the shade Perfect Cinnamon. I have done my brows off camera with this L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. And for the eyeshadow, I am taking this lighter brown shade from Morphe palette. Taking this dark brown shadow from Jaclyn Hill palette and merge it into the crease. And now with this blending brush, I am blending it all together and making sure that everything looks put together. Applying this golden shade for the lid, and I am taking it on my finger because fingers gives the most pigments. Now I am adding this darker green color into my outer corner to match it with my outfit. And I also wanted to add the glittery green color, so I am applying it between the golden and the darker green color. In my lower lash line, I am applying the same dark green color which I have applied on my outer corner. Taking this Bad Girl Bang Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics and I'm coating my lashes with it. And for the kajal, I am taking Nykaa Black Magic Gel Liner. Highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone with the lightest color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And for my lip liner, I am using Vanity Lip Liner from K Beauty. For lipstick, I am using Lakme Lip and Cheek Mousse in the shade Plum Feather. And now for the favorite part, highlighter, I am taking Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. As this is a festive look, I have gone slightly overboard with my highlighter. I'm back with my lashes and my jewelry on. Man, I love traditional and I wanted to add some glitters in the look, so I just added this Swiss Beauty glitter eyeshadows in my inner corners. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that when I upload next video you get the notification. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Mwah.